Namaskar, I am Prakash Astrologer, presenting you for this coming week's weekly horoscope, weekly forecast for each and every sign. Going to talk about Cancer. This particular week, Cancerians, this week Jupiter and Mars are both positioned very prominently and in a very stronger placement. As long as your ability is there, it will be recognized and appreciated, may I say, by professional people. There will be a rise in your status, social prestige, a rise in your name, fame, establishment. Cancer, your knowledge will be acknowledged by well-learned, well-professional people. You could be a talk of the town, or you could be headhunted by professional organization. You'll be quite busy socially and participate in number of events. There could be an offer for a new job from overseas and you could travel abroad on business. You'll be mingling with very professional and powerful decision makers. Your expenditure will be high. Health-wise, look after issue related to your energy level, lower abdomen. Be careful of your decision-making strategy. Make sure that not to invest any aggression in your daily routine. Use your energy carefully and complete your task within deadlines. You will be fine. Cancerian position of Jupiter is prominent. Mars position is fantastic. Ketu is supporting you. The only combination I'm a bit not very happy about it, Sun and Saturn. So you got to sort it out. You got to sort out your imagination, creativity. Try not to be in a state of confusion and convert your anger into creativity. That's the only way. That way, prosperity will be turbocharged, double, triple. That is the only way. So, my dear friend Cancer, let's be on track. Task of the week. Please wear a saffron tilak on your forehead. Donate whole moong dal and pure ghee to temple. Flow 4 kg rice in the fastest flowing river. Precaution of the week for Cancer. Refrain from wearing too much red color. Chanting of the week for Cancer. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevai. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevai. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevai. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevai. Thanks for watching my weekly horoscopes. If you are new to my channel, Prakash Astrologer channel, then please do subscribe. Why? Because we are going to create more than 300 fresh videos, fresh contents for 2015 for each and every sign. You'll be able to learn what the 2015 is going to bring for you. What will be the Saturn's effect for each and every sign. The precautions, the tasks, the mantra, the chanting, Rahu's effect, Jupiter's effect, Ketu's effects, lot more fresh contents. So please do subscribe due to that factor. We will be able to inform you through email whenever we are uploading all the fresh contents. So you'll be able to enjoy for future your yearly horoscopes for 2015, which I know you'll be waiting for. If you have enjoyed this video, then please do give it a like, and also if you have any comments or suggestions regarding our contents or forecast, please leave me a comments below. I'll be more than happy to respond. Or if you have any questions about yourself, then why don't you first become a subscriber and send me an email. Then if you have any questions or you want a consultation, I'll be there. I'll offer you a consultation only to my subscribers. But at the same time, try to be a subscriber because that's the only way I can inform you what is new on our channel for 2015. These are quite a lot. So look after yourself. I'll be back with fresh contents. Take care. Bye-bye.